Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Storytime family. How's it going today? Is it nice and sunny where you are? Or is it cold and cloudy? Well, whatever it is, seize the day, and you could always sit down and read a book with us. Today we have a book called Meet the Wild by Lindsay Kellar-Madsen and me, Frey Damgaard. Let's check it out, shall we? Meet the Wild. The day you meet the wild, it might peek inside your door while dancing shadows seem to say, just wait and see, there's more. A winter walk together through the swirling, frosty air reveals a chilly, sparkling world. The wild is everywhere. Through prickly pines and melting snow, the wild shows you the way and sparks your curiosity with smells, texture, and play. Then springtime air is humming as the bees buzz lullabies, and peaceful minutes drift away in warmer, sunny skies. With hatching friends and budding trees, the wild blooms fresh and new. Your busy little fingers have so many things to do. Some days go pitter-patter and are messy, muddy fun. The splash of boots and puddles showers joy on everyone. The summer ripens food to eat that grows up from the land. This rainbow of new colors, this rainbow of new flavors can be squished inside your hand. Some sticky days of sun and wind are spent down by the beach. The waves play tag with sandy toes while silly seagulls screech. A shady hill invites your feet to bravely grip the rocks and notice how the earth can feel without your shoes and socks. Autumn leaves roll in across the ground. Ripe apples, pears, and pumpkins are bright treasures to be found. Dry sticks beg to be bundled through the golden paths you roam. You build and play in your own way when nature feels like home. The passing of the seasons brings so much you will explore. The wild is always waiting outside every open door. And that was Meet the Wild. Wasn't that beautiful? Have you had your time in the wild today? Perhaps basking under the sun just for a couple minutes. It does make you happier. If you enjoyed this book and would like to own a copy, the links to purchase it are in our description below. Do give us a like and subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell for more stories like this. Thank you so much for taking time out to read with us. We really appreciate it. We'll see you back here soon. You take care and have a super day. Bye-bye.